see the presentation, Shraddha?
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. Okay, Shraddha, let's see here. So today we will learn about proportion. Okay. What do you know about the proportion? Can you please tell me? What do you understand by the proportion?
Like how two ratios are related to each other.
Okay. Or we can say that key when the two ratios are equal, then they will be known as proportion, right? As an example, A is to B is equal to C is to D. So it can be say right as कि A is to B is proportional to C is to D. Okay, and this is the way of presentation, a way of presenting proportion. Okay, so mainly we can say that if you want to write the definition of proportion, you can write कि when the value of two ratio are equal, it is said to be proportion. Okay, is it clear? And here we can say that ki A, B, C and D are in proportion. Okay, now let's see here. Hmm, wait a minute. Proportion, meet, third proportion, fourth proportion. Okay. See here, there is a concept. Okay. By this formula or the way of presentation, A is to B, which is proportion to C is to D. Here we can say that कि A multiply D will be equal to B multiply C. Okay. By this formula, you can find the value of anyone when the 3 will be given. Okay. When the 3 will be given, then you can find the value of the fourth one. Okay. Is it clear? As an example, suppose you have to find the value of B. So here B will be A into D divided by C. Like this you can find the value of A, D and C also. Is it clear now? You're on mute. Yes, Radha, please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see here types of proportion. Okay. Types of proportion. See here. The first one is continued proportion. Okay. as it said that ki three quantities are said to be in continued proportion if the ratio of the first to second is equal to the ratio of the second to third. Okay, or you can say कि if A, B, C are such that A is to B is equal to B is to C,
Sir, your
then
voice is breaking.
okay, let me check. Now is it okay, Shraddha?
It's still breaking. Sir, could you off your video?
Okay, okay now.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see here कि if A, B, C are such that A is to B is equal to B is to C, okay, then these numbers are said to be in continued proportion. Okay, these numbers are said to be in continued proportion. Okay, that is here we can say that if A is to B is equal to B is to C, okay, then it will be like A by B is equal to B by C. So B square is equal to A cross C. Okay, or C will be B square by A. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
It's clear.
Please note down it and confirm me. Okay, so is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, now let's see here. The second type is mean proportion. Okay, mean proportion. So I just said that if A cross, uh, let it be any another number, है ना, as x is proportional to x cross x is to or b is to x, sorry, b is to x. So A is to B is proportional to no, wait a minute, sorry, same as before. Okay, A is to x is proportional to x is to b. Okay, you can also take A is to B is proportional to B is to C. Okay, then here x is said to be mid proportion, then x is said to be mean proportional between A and B. Okay, A and B. Okay, so as here A is to x is proportional to x is to B, it's mean here it is A by x is equal to x by B. So here you will get x square is equal to A cross B, same as before. Okay, so here x will be root under A cross B. So this value will be known as the mean proportion. Okay, mean proportion or mid proportion, both are same. So sometimes they will be it is also known as mid proportion, mid, mid and proportion. Okay, so whenever a, yes.
So then what is the difference between first and second type?
See, here in the first one, it is continued proportion, okay? Mean the A is to B is equal to B is to C, okay? It's mean ki here when it will ask for continued proportion, you have to just find A cross B, A cross C. And when it will ask for mean proportion or mid proportion, at that time you have to find root under A cross B, okay? Suppose they give ki 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3 and find the continued proportion, then you have to A cross C, okay? And when it will be say ki find the proportion, then you have to do root under 2 into 3, which will be root under 6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Basically they are differ by the formula. Okay, in continued proportion it is b square equal to a cross c, and here we go one step more. Okay, here we go one step more, that is ki this root square will come in the right side and become root under. Okay, so it will be root under a cross b. Is it clear? Okay, please
Yes,
note
sir.
down. Yes. Okay. Now let's see here. It's for third proportion. Okay. Third. The same thing or the same concept will be here. Okay. Again, it will be the difference in the formula. Okay. So when it will be if A is to B is proportional to B is to C. Okay, A is to B is proportional to B is to C. Then here, this C will be called the third proportional to A and B. Okay, then C is said to be third portion to A and B. Okay, it's mean, see here, कि if A is to B is proportional to B is to C. Okay, it's mean we can say that कि A by B is equal to B by C, right? So here the value of C will be, tell me, B square by A, right?
B square, yeah.
Yeah, B square by A, and this will be known as, this value will be known as third proportion. Okay, so suppose if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, and we have to find the third proportion, then at that time we have to do 3 square by 2 means 9 by 2. 9 by 2 will be the third proportion. Okay, 2, 2 is to 3, 2 and 3. Okay, now is there any doubt?
No, sir.
And the next one is fourth proportion. Okay, fourth proportion. See here, it
Sir,
says
let's
that.
do the third one.
Acha, okay, sure. If you want to do it first, then you can do it. So, is there any doubt in third proportion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, let's see here. If A is to B is proportional to C is to D, okay, then this D is called as fourth proportional to fourth proportional to A, B, and C. See here, if A is to B is proportional to C is to D, right? It's mean we can say that na ki A by B will be C by D, right? So here we can say that ki the D will be, what it will be? B multiply C by A. This value will be known as the fourth proportion. Okay. So the value of A, B and C will be given you, and it will say ki find the fourth proportion. Then you have to just apply this formula. So let's see here, just wait a minute. We learned continued proportion, okay? Continued proportion when it will be A, B, C. So here A cross C will be known as the continued proportion, okay? Or B square by A, okay? And when it will say about mean proportion or mid proportion, then you have to do root under A cross B, okay? When it will say about the third proportion, then it will be B square by A. And when it will say about the fourth proportion, it will be B cross C by A, okay? If you will forgot the formula, you can just go by the concepts also, okay? You have to just write it in the format of A is to B is proportional to B is to C, like this, or A is to B is proportional to C is to D, and with the concept you can just create the formula by yourself in during the exam also, okay? Is there any doubt? Okay, then please note down it. Hmm. Okay, Shraddha. Hmm. Okay, let's see here. Try this question by yourself, okay? What is mean proportion? Here you have to find mean proportion, okay? Or we can say that mid proportion of 64 and 121. Just try it by yourself. Yes, Radha?
Sir, I got 88.
88. No, yes, very good. So as we learned that in mid proportion, what we have to do? Just root under A into B, है ना?
Into B.
Yes, root under we have to multiply the two value. So it will be root under 64 into 121. So as here a 64 is the square of 8 and 121 is the square of 11. So it will be 8 into 11. So that's why it will be 88. Very good, Shraddha. Write one more question ki find the third proportion. Third proportion to the numbers 3 and 6. To the numbers 3 and 6. Okay, just try this one. No, Shraddha.
Question, sir.
Third proportion, na? Third proportion is b square by a.
I did A square, but
Oh, okay, okay, no problem. So c square by 3. Now tell me what it will be.
uh, 12.
12. Very good. So 36 by 3, it will be 12, है ना? And this will be the answer. And if it will ask about the ratios, then the ratios will be A is to B is to C. So it will be 3 is to 6 is to 12. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Now try this question. Find the value of x in the flowing proportion. Proportion 27 is to 72 proportional to x is to 8. Just try this one.
So equation will be 27x is equal to 72 into 8, right?
27x. No,
Because
no, you have to just do like this. See here, it is 27 by 72 is 2 means equal to x by 8, right? So you have to just find the value of x, which will be uh, 27 into 8 by 72, right? And then you have to just solve it. Okay.
so but then can't we use that A into C is equal to B into D?
A into C. If you will mark it A, B, C, then it will be like A is to B proportional to C is to D, right? Here you have to find the value of C now. So in that one it will be again, it will be like this. See here, A by B equal to C by D. So here C will be A cross D by B, right? है ना? A cross D by B. Okay, so here A is 27 and D is 8 divided by B. B is 72. Every time you have to just apply this concept. Okay, nothing more. Just consider it A B C D in proportion, and after that consider it the two ratio are equal, and then you have to find the value. Okay. Yes, Shraddha, very good. It will be 3 है ना? As here 8 9 ja 72 and 9 3 the 27, so it will be 3. Okay, let's try 2 3 more questions. Okay, so that your concept will be more clear. uh, Write a question. Please write a question. Two numbers are in the ratio 9 is to 11. Two numbers are in the ratio 9 is to 11. If sum of these two numbers, if sum of these two numbers is 660, is 660, find the difference between the numbers. Find the difference between the numbers. I am repeating, the two numbers are in the ratio 9 is to 11. If sum of these two numbers is 660, find the difference between the numbers. Yes, please try it. 66. Yes, very good. So, how you solved it? By which method?
Uh, so
What you
just
have done?
simplify X.
Okay, okay. Means you have you use the academic methods, na? Consider x,
Yeah,
9x plus 11x, then you find the value of x and then you put it, right? Like this, na?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. But I have another trick, okay? Instead of x, just do like this. 9 plus 11, it will be
20.
20. Here the value of 20 is 660. Okay, how many times? So as you can see here, it is 33 times, right? So when you will do 9, when you will do 11 minus 9, what it will be? 2,
2.
right? You have to just multiply it by 33, you will get 66 as the answer. That's all. Okay, so within 4 to 5 seconds you can easily get the answer. And when you will do some more and more practice, after doing more and more practice, I think this type of question, in this type of question there is no need of pen and pencil, right? So you can easily do it. 9 plus 11, it is 20. As we can see here, 20 and 660, which is 33 times. And here we have to find the difference. So 11 minus 9, it is 2. So 2 into 33, it is 66. When it will ask for the product, then at that time you have to do 11 into 9, which will be 99. And you have to multiply the 99 by 33. You will get the product of the numbers. Okay. So in this way you can easily do this type of questions. Okay, let me check some more questions. Let's see here. Now try a question. Okay, write a question. Two vessels contains equal quantity of two vessels contains equal quantity of mixture of milk and water. It is not given in your book. Okay, but the same pattern is given in your book. Okay.
Sir, is this a mixture question?
No, no, it is not the based on the mixture question. It this question is based on the ratio. Okay. Don't worry, that one we have didn't learnt yet, na. So for now we just practice for ratio and proportion only. Two vessels contains equal quantity of mixture of milk and water in the ratio 8 is to 9. Milk is to water in the ratio 8 is to 9. Two vessels contains equal quantity of mixture of milk and water in the ratio 8 is to 9 and 12 is to 15 and 12 is to 5, sorry, not 15, 12 is to 5.
Sir,
12
this
is to
milk
5.
and water.
Milk and water in the ratio 8 is to 9, in the ratio 8 is to 9 and 12 is to 5 and 12 is to 5 respectively. Both the mixture are now mixed. Both the mixture are now mixed thoroughly. Both the mixture are now mixed thoroughly. Full stop. Find the ratio of the milk to water. Find the ratio of milk. Find the ratio of the milk to water in the new mixture so obtained. In the new mixture so obtained. Yes, please try this one. Okay, Sradhar, no problem. Let's see here how you will do this type of questions. Okay. As here it said कि two vessels containing equal quantity of mixture, right? And this is the mixture of milk and water. So here you will write milk is to water. In the first container it is 8 is to 9 and in the second container it is 12 is to 5, right? As it is saying कि both container contains equal quantity, है ना? So here you have to check it whether they are equal or not. When you will add 8 and 9, you will get 17, right?
17.
And 12 plus 5 again 17. So you can see here in the both container the quantity is same. It's mean here you have to just when you will add this two container in the third container, okay, you will get the same proportion after adding it. So just here you have to add it. 8 plus 12, the milk will become 20, and 9 plus 5, it will be 14. So just here you have to form the lowest simplest form of the ratio, which will be 10 is to 7. So the ratio of the milk and water after uh, shifting into in the same container, it will be 10 is to 7. That's all. Okay. Is it clear, Shraddha, or any doubt? Can you please confirm me? Or do you want the
Yes, sir.
explanation again?
Sir, I understood.
Okay. This part you can do in your mind also, okay? Here no need to write this one. Okay? When you will do it in the exam or the revision, this part you can do in the mind. This one you have to do, okay? For the correct calculation. Please do it and confirm me. After this, I will give the another question based on the same pattern.
Sir, done.
Okay, then write the question. The the two vessels the two vessels containing water and milk. The two vessels containing water and milk are in the ratio 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5. The two vessels containing water and milk are in the ratio 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5, are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 2. Okay, these two are mixed in the ratio of 1 is to 2. The two vessels containing water and milk are in the ratio 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5, are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 2. Are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 2. Full stop. The resulting mixture will have water and milk in the ratio. The resulting mixture will have the resulting mixture will have water and milk in the ratio, question mark. I am repeating, the two vessels containing water and milk are in the ratio 2 is to 3, means the first container, in the first container the ratio of water and milk is 2 is to 3, okay, and 4 is to 5. It's mean in the second container the ratio of the water and milk is 4 is to 5, are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 2, means these two container are mixed in the ratio of 1 is to 2, okay. Full stop. The resulting mixture will have water and milk in the ratio. You have to just find it. Okay, okay, no problem. Let's see here how you will solve this type of questions. Okay. See, first you will write as here according to the question, water is to milk. It is given 2 is to 3 in the first container, and in the second container it is 4 is to 5, right? So you have to check whether they are equal or not. First of all, 2 plus 3 it is 5, and 4 plus 5 it is 9. It's mean we here it is not equal. So first we have to make it equal. To make it equal, we will take the LCM, least common multiple, है ना? So LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. Here it is, we have to do, to make it 45 we have to multiply it by 9, and to make it 45 we have to make it the multiplied by 5. Okay, means the first container, to the first container we have to multiply it by 9. So the water will become 2 9 ja 18, and milk will become 3 9 ja 27. Okay, and in the second container it will become 4 5 times 20, and 5 into water milk, sorry, milk 5 into 5 times 25. Now when you will add it you will get 45 in both, it's mean they are equal. Now it's the both container become equal. Okay, in the first question, in the previous question, they were in the equal quantity already, so that's why in this one we didn't do this step, we didn't find the LCM. Okay, directly we add it. Now as here it is not, it was not in the equal quantities, so first we make it equal. If the question was like that ki find the ratio of the water and milk in the new mixture when we will add them, then at that time you have to just add it 18 plus 20 and 27 plus 25. Okay, but here one more point is given कि the ratio, this quantity are mixing in the ratio of 1 is to 2, right? It's mean the first vessel we have to multiply it by 1, and to second vessel we have to multiply it by 2. So the new quantity we will get 18 is to 27 and 40 is to 50. Now we are adding it. Okay, so we have to add it, just it will be 58 is to 77, and this will be the new ratio, and this will be the answer. Okay, so like this you have to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
Sir, the thing is, I'm not able to like think like this.
You have to think like this. Okay, no problem. When you will do the practice you will ultimately you will get it. Okay, first you have to make the quantity equal. If it will say ki you have to just add it, then you have to just add it. If it will say ki here we have to add it in the ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 4 like this, then you have to multiply the value, the equal value, by that ratio, and after that you have to
So
add it.
basically, when unequal, so
What's
basically
Radha?
when unequal ratio,
Yes, you have to make it equal.
we have to make it equal. Yeah.
Yes, very good. And after that you have to do according to the question. Okay, as here these two quantity are mixing in 1 is to 2 ratio, that's why here we are multiplying it, otherwise we will not multiply it, we will just add it. Okay, please note down it and write one more question based on the same pattern. You have to do this question by yourself. Okay, write the question as homework. Two vessels containing milk and water, two vessels containing milk and water in the ratio 7 is to 5 and 7 is to 9. 7 is to 5 and 7 is to 9. If both vessels are mixed in the ratio, if both vessels are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 1, are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 1, comma, Find the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. Find the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. I am repeating again. Two vessels contains milk and water in the ratio 7 is to 5 and 7 is to 9. Okay. If both vessels are mixed in the ratio 1 is to 1, find the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. You have to do it by yourself. Answer will be 49 is to 47. You have to solve it by yourself and then you have to send me the photo. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The next part we will continue in the next class. Note down all the points which we discussed in today's class in your fair copy and practice these questions by yourself again, and after that you have to send me the photo of all these ones. Okay. And if you want to try the exercise questions, you can try it. Okay. If there will be any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Okay, Shraddha, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, so for today, that's all. Thank you.